Hi, my name is Miss Carlson, and I'm a kindergarten teacher at Lion School. And this is my daughter, Lucy.
I am 8 years old, and this is my friend Chris. He's 2 years old.
And today we're going to teach you about the game your child brought home for conversation cards. It has four pieces of paper. Three of them have pictures and questions on them, and one of them is blank, so you can write down your own questions. These are fun to color in together as a family and then cut apart, and then they'll all fit nicely in this box. Lucy colored in this one for us.
Very good.
It is. And the goal of this game is to get your child talking as much as possible and for you to model talking as much as possible. If you speak another language at home, I would encourage you to play this game in that language so that you can work on strengthening vocabulary in your native language as well. Are you ready to play?
Yeah.
Okay. If you had three wishes, what would you wish for?
First, I would wish for a unicorn named Sprinkles, and it would have sprinkles on it, and it would be pink.
Okay. Next.
For my second wish, I would wish for a rocket ship that flew to the clouds, and it had sprinkles, and it would be purple. And you know how normal rocket ships shoot out like dust stuff?
Uh-huh.
Mine would shoot out a rainbow.
Amazing. And what do you think it would be like to
Wait,
go?
I didn't do my
I
third
know,
one.
we'll go to the third one. What do you think it would be like to be in a rocket ship?
I think it would be it would be so fast, and then your face would go like, ah!
Do you think it would be scary or cool? Scary.
Fly like this.
Okay, so those are your first two wishes. What's your last wish?
This one is gonna blow your mind.
Okay.
And then and then when I get up there to the clouds, I'm gonna turn it into top, and I'm gonna turn them into cotton candy, and then eat all the clouds. And then it would be sunny every day, not cloudy and rainy and cold.
Amazing. Can I ask you one more question about your wishes?
What?
Would the unicorn go in the rocket ship with you?
Yeah.
Okay, so you and the unicorn would be
Yes.
astronauts.
And then we have a special suit with sprinkles and a blue background, and we would be in gravity and fly.
Okay. All right, now you can ask me the same question.
Dun, dun, dun. Oh, what would you have for your three wishes?
Okay, well, I think my first wish would be that I could travel wherever I wanted, whenever I wanted, and just kind of magically get there. That would be my first wish. My next wish would be, I think my next wish would be for us to be able to go to the beach all the time and not feel cold when the weather is cold or when the water is freezing cold because I love when we go to the beach. And I think my last wish, oh, this is so hard.
Good one. Wait, I have a question.
Yeah,
Wait, what was your first?
my first wish is to travel wherever I want, whenever I want,
But
with
but
all of you, of course.
but do you have a certain amount of people limit? Because what if there's a tiny space that you travel into and then get into another space, and you're bringing a ton of people?
I would make sure that it would fit at least our family. And then I think that my last
Wait,
wish,
and I'm gonna ask you about your second one. What about how about the animals and the tree? And what if the sand is cold?
I know I would want it to be warm and nice all the time at the beach, even if it was winter out.
But how about the sand? You only said the weather and the ocean.
Okay, the sand could be warm too.
Yeah, everything in the beach warm.
And my last wish, I think, would be to have time to learn all of the hobbies and crafts that I want to do
Would you learn all those at the beach with me?
with you, but probably not at the beach.
Oh, because it would get all sand.
Yeah.